after we already create a post headers, we can add the image and also these icons groups. So we back to our project and go back to the post, and under this div, we add the image tag, and the image tag is linking to the unsplash image, and we set the width is full. So this is 100% width. So if we back to the project, now you can see it has these beautiful pictures in full width. Now we are going to add icons groups, and we have to import a field icons because there is a heart, the comment, and also a sharing icon, and also a bookmark icons. So now we back to the project and go to the top. We have to import the heart icon, the paper plane, airplane icon, and also the bookmark icon. Now we can go to the bottom of the image, and then we create a div to hold these icons groups. So we use the div with the flash and justify between, so they has the space, the same space in between. So we use justify between, and it has the padding horizontally of 4 units, and also we have the paddings top of 4 units. So we create a padding of 4 units. Now we create the div. This div is to hold these 3 icons. So we create the div, and we have the flash and space. There's space between them of 4 units, and also items center. This makes them aligned vertically center. So now we can add the heart icon, and the class name is the height of 6. Now we can see this heart icon, and we create the comment icon, and we have to import from the fun awesome. So we have to type import fun awesome icon from, we add fun awesome, and then we have to import the fa command, and we import it from the regular svg icon. And now we go back to here and we type the fun awesome, and the class name is cursor pointer, and the icon is fa command, and we use the size is lg, and then we close it. Now we can see the comment icon, but it has a wrong direction, so we have to flip it horizontally. So we back to here and add the scale of x, and then we add the -1. So now it go to a correct direction, and we also want to add the cursor pointer at here, so there's a pointer when mouse over it. So at last we have to add the paper airplane icon, and the class name is also the height of 6 units, and also add the cursor pointer. And then now you can see the paper airplane, but for Instagram there should be a little bit rotations, so we have to add the rotations of 60 degrees. Now we can see the sharing icons look like the same as the Instagram. And then at last we add the bookmark icon. So we here at the end of the div, we add the bookmark icon with the class name of h6 and cursor pointer. Now we can see it already create this icon and also the bookmark icon. And you can see the sharing icon is a little bit below the average, so we can make some adjustment on the y-axis. So we can type negative translate x1. It should be y. So now it looks like aligned vertically centered. And you can also see if we scroll down, this has the white color. This is because we set the maximum width at the index. So we back to the index page, and we remove this H screen, Now you can see all the background color is gray colors.